Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel on this horrible gloomy Saturday morning, and welcome to DEP TV. This is rebranded DEP Autocare Limited. We're hoping that DEP TV is a bit more catchier, shorter, should hopefully be a lot better in the social media side of things. So anyway, what we're doing today, we're going to winter prep this Skoda Fabia. What is winter prep? Well, in all honesty, it's no different to how you would normally wash your car. So, what is winter prep? It's not that, because that was a standard maintenance clean, maintenance wash. Winter prep, people, is making sure you have the right equipment in your vehicle for winter weather, i.e. snow chains, shovel, blanket, tins of food, just in case you get stuck somewhere in the middle of nowhere. Some graphene detailing spray is not going to get you out of a pickle if you're stuck somewhere. Some spray sealant isn't going to get you sorted if you're stuck in the snow. So don't let people charge you for winter preparation of your motor when all they're going to do is wash it and maybe put a graphene sealant on it like I did with this, or a spray sealant. So if you see people advertising a winter prep package, it's a lot of bull. All they're doing is washing your car. The proper winter prep is, like I said, snow chains, shovel, blankets, food in the back of the car just in case you get stuck somewhere, and probably an AA, RAC, green flag membership, something along those lines. I hope you don't mind me being honest, guys, but that's all I can be. Winter prep is not taking your wheels off and cleaning the arches and all the other stuff that people try to tell you winter prep. It's rubbish. You do that anyway when you want to give your car a good clean. You just give it a good clean at the beginning of November, because you know as well as I do, after 3 days of driving about, your car's as manky as it was before. So what's the point in spending all that money on a winter prep package when you could do it at your house? I hope you get what I mean. I hope you understand what I mean here. Winter preparation is not about cleaning your car. Winter preparation is about being prepared for winter. Hope you liked the video, guys. Sorry I've been a bit blunt at the end of this one, but as I was cleaning the car I was thinking about it, and anyway, if you want some more blunt reactions, I've got loads of reviews to get done, some more how-tos and stuff like that. Please hit the subscribe button, hit the bell notification icon so you know when we've uploaded stuff. Give the video a like, that would be absolutely amazing. And go over to our Facebook page, DEP TV. You'll find us on there. We post a lot of pictures and things like that of different upcoming things that are coming along. Again, guys, thanks very much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.